Hi guys, so this is how you will adjust the uh, uh, opening and closing speed of Maximo Ultra 36. Okay, so this is the barrier. So we have the CSB Extreme. So first you have to press F for 3 seconds. Then you will see the level 1. So the opening and closing speed menu are in the third level. So you have to press F and plus together. So now we are in level 2. Then press again. We are in level 3. As you see AS. Okay. So you have to press F one by one until you see OS and CS. So OS is for opening speed. So here you can adjust. You can increase up to 99. Okay. Then again you press F to save, then it will go back to OS, and press again F to move to CS. So here again you can able to adjust the value up to 99. So remember, you can maximize the speed if your arm boom is 3 meter or shorter. If it is more than 3 meter, you cannot make it 99, otherwise it will be showing so shaky. Okay, so press F to save, then keep pressing F until you see ST, and then another one F to exit. So from here you can test. Okay,